I wanted to show you all what I'm using. Because, you know, I use my other products. But I got these blemishes on my face. All right, y'all see them. What's up, Stella Stars? It's your girl Stella back here once again, y'all. And let me tell you something. I done went and got us something else to try. Because it's all about self-care. Anyway, y'all, I wonder if y'all heard about mung beans. Because, I mean, I read about it a little bit, and I'm going to tell y'all a little bit about it or whatever. I wrote a few things down about it. So I decided that I would give it a try. Now, let me put my glasses back on so I can actually tell y'all a little bit about it. But anyway, they little green beans, child. And the not like the little green beans. And they say it offers several benefits. Rich in nutrients, anti-aging, and you know, Auntie trying to stay looking a little bit young. It's starting to work. Some of the stuff starting to work. I started a little late in the game with doing what I need to do. Acne treatment, which like I said, I get hormonal acne, so I wanted to work on that. Hydration. And it's supposed to have a brightening effect. Now, this is why I really got it. I got it because of the brightening effect, because I wanted to brighten up those scars that I have around my face or what have you. People be eating mung beans and stuff like that, or whatever, but I ain't gonna eat none today. So this is what we got here. I ain't got my glasses on, so I can't even see what I'm actually doing here. Cause let's go ahead and finish our. Ooh, that's like clay for real. I know this may sound weird, but I don't really do a lot of face masks, y'all.
And I probably shouldn't have done this one too. Now is the perfect time, right here, right now, for you to like, subscribe, and leave a comment too. Go ahead, do it right now, hurry.
I was the Vaseline queen. It started trying to wrinkle up on me like aluminum foil, child. Then somebody told me, just go get Botox. I ain't ready for all that yet. The texture got a little grit in it. Not much. It smells, got a little smell to it, but it's not bad. It dry up real quick. This is the mung bean, y'all. Yeah, I look like a monster. Let's see how this gonna work out, y'all. So let's see. I want to use the towel just so I can show y'all. But I was out here putting beans on my face, child. I'm just gonna wash this off and then come back. I can honestly tell you that once you wash it off, your skin is very dry, as you can see. I haven't put anything on there yet. My skin don't feel irritated. I'm gonna tell you what the mask feel like. It feels like clay or almost like calamine lotion. But a little grittier. And like I said, it leaves your skin very dry. It's like waiting for moisture. So the only thing I'm gonna put on for right now until, you know, while I'm doing this, is just a little jojoba. That's it. I'm just putting a little bit of this oil directly onto my skin, and that will be it. That is all I'm adding right now. It's just a little oil. The mung bean mask. That is what it was, you all. I mean, cause your girl around here putting beans. I was around here putting beans on my face. Like I said, this is what I used on my face. I got this from Amazon for about $16. It is, what is it? The House of Doa. I can probably get several uses out of this. The directions is to apply generously onto clean skin, face and neck. I didn't put it on my neck. Leave mask on for 10 minutes. I left mine on there for longer than 10 minutes. I did my nails, which took me about 20 minutes to do, 15, 20 minutes. I did not feel any type of irritation or anything. It just get really dry, okay? There's a little bit go a long way, okay? So I actually liked it, y'all. It says, I think I'm gonna try to do this at least once a week and kind of see if it helped with my blemishes. that I really want to clear up. I really want to clear these blemishes that I have up. They are getting better, but you know, just really paying attention to that, and just really doing our best to take care of our skin now. Y'all look it up. Let me know if you have tried it. If you have tried it, let me know your experiences with it. If you have tried any other products, let me know. That's, you know, not too expensive.
Here are a few of the reviews that I actually took off of Amazon, just so you'll know and you won't have to go and look it up for yourself, which I would advise you to do that anyway. But hey, you know, I added some.
Well, we are a community here. I would love if you subscribe. So go ahead and just subscribe. Go ahead. Ain't nobody stopping you.